Hi, I'm Nancy. I'm very, very honored to be here. Thank you. This is an amazing space, and I love to see great computers that you have the right tools.
So today, we're going to be, I'll just kind of say what we're going to be doing. So we're going to introduce you to Second Life, the virtual world that we're going to be working within and shooting our Machinima in. Second Life is a massively multiplayer online world, virtual world, where you can, I guess, operate avatars and have them appear or do anything that you kind of want. So we use Second Life primarily to make machinima. We also have what is called our own Aboriginally determined space in cyberspace called AbTeC Island, and this is where we shoot all of our machinima productions. So I've all assigned you avatars that we've created for this machinima workshop.
So we just go to the website.
Now that you're all logged in, this is a space that you're navigating called Orientation Island. So we're just going to work on moving, walking through the world, moving where they tell us to go to. You can see arrows kind of pointing you in the direction. So now I'm in flying mode, and now I can press E to fly up. Hold E to go up. If you haven't used Second Life before, I know these camera controls can be quite difficult. They were for me when I started, but it just took a couple hours and a couple sessions of experience just to get used to it, and now I feel like it's very intuitive once you kind of get the hang of it. Okay, so I mean, we're all going to be in the same room all the time working together, so the chat function is kind of supplementary. But like, say if we want to send each other links in Second Life, the world supports that. So like, and you can browse the entire marketplace, for example, in the browser in Second Life. And so, say if you find something really cool and you want to share it with a resident or someone in the group, you can use the chat function to send that link and view it together without leaving the program. And then move avatar's lips when speaking, make sure that's enabled as well. So when we have our characters in the space and say they say a line, like say we have a side check, I could go for some geese. We could have the avatar say that and then add the voice, that voice again in post-production. We're going to bring everyone to AbTeC Island now, and we're going to show you around a little bit. So this is AbTeC Island. Is everybody here?
Is anyone having trouble?
I'm not, but
You'll get there. So this is AbTeC Island. This is our main landing spot. So this was, and this has a whole bunch of sets from the machinima that Scott has made. As you can see, here's the residence from She Falls for Ages. Here's the Time Traveler TM boutique where Hunter assumedly got his time traveler glasses. We can zoom in, see them on display here.
So if you open your outfit gallery, which is the little t-shirt icon here in the top, you can make millions of these outfits. I have about 20 in my inventory right now. The three things you basically always need to have is a skin, a shape, and eyes. If you have those three things, that's all you need to create an avatar, and then everything else is just accessories.